Hello, gang. It is stream time. Biddy will be a couple minutes late. I don't know what he's doing, but he said he'll be late because he's weird like that. I am going to work on the train, I think, or the train station, not the train. So right now we have this train thing that it's a train station, basically. Right now there are the background needs a little work. It's a little messy. I wanted to have like train cars that go back and forth. Right now they're kind of just stationary, but I think it would look nice if they like animated back and forth. I'm not sure exactly how I want to do it, but so like I've got these train cars here, just kind of sitting there. I think it'd look nice if they like sometimes drive back. Maybe. I don't know how hard that would be to do, but it might work. It might not work. I'll try and see. And then I need to figure out what to do about like the floor and decorative things and all the stuff. I also don't know what to put behind the windows. Should be some kind of background back there, but I don't know. Maybe like some kind of a moving texture, like a shader. I don't know. Okay, so I have this train. How do I want to do this? I think I just want to export this as white so I can change the color. Because I'll have multiple that are different colors, I think. That might be the best way to do it. And we'll make a couple of these. We'll make one that's slightly longer, or has like multiple cars. Actually, I think maybe these need some work. Let me find some reference. Train cars. What do train cars look like? Let's see. I guess that's probably fine how it is. I guess they are just like mostly kind of square. Maybe give it some like little ridges on the top. Nah, that's not working. Maybe it'll work. I think some of these gaps aren't consistent, yeah. There we go, that's good. Yeah, that's probably fine. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then we'll make a second one and give them an extra train car. we go. And let's make 3 just for fun, why not? Here we go. Call this train car, train to car. Hello, Average Ghetto Enjoyer. Happy March to you as well. I'm all by myself today, right now, until Biddy gets here. Maybe he'll get here eventually. Maybe he won't. I don't know. He's probably like getting Taco Bell or something stupid like that. Lazy programmer. Kidding. We love Biddy. Where do I save this? Objects, sure. I'll put it in the parallax actually, because that's where it's gonna be. Sure. Actually, I don't need a folder. Game dev. Yes, we're doing game dev. And no, game dev is not you. Maybe we should just play Super Battle Golf on stream once Biddy gets here. I think that'd be a great idea. I don't think we should do anything else. Play golf. Hello. Where's the Vaporeon cat? He is out somewhere. Oh, is he messaging me now? There he is. He's alive. He'll be here in like 2 seconds. He said he's gonna be a few minutes late, so I just went ahead and started without him. Okay, here he comes. Hello, twin. There he is. Somebody was literally just asking where you were. You're here now. Someone was literally just asking where you were.
Lol.
You're really loud for some reason.
What?
You're like really loud for some reason. Let me turn you down.
Really? Weird.
Yeah, I don't know why you're really loud.
I don't know. Nothing should have changed from ever.
Can you talk?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. It's a bit better. How is chat? How is his volume compared to mine? He's not talking, so it's hard to compare.
Hello. I'm Billidic. Hello, I'm Billidic. Hi, hello.
Is that better? Is that worse?
I don't know.
Maybe.
Share your screen.
Oh, there we go.
Twin.
There we go. Seems okay. Okay. Okay, I turned you down a little bit. You're at like 120%. I don't know why. Share my screen. Okay.
Weird. What the fuck was I at before?
Like it seems like your mic, like it keeps getting louder and quieter. Like sometimes it's really quiet, sometimes it's really loud. Are you like changing the position that you're in front of your mic?
Let me check Discord and see if it has any sort of automatic gain thing, because it shouldn't. I told it let me do everything myself.
Yeah, I don't know.
Nope.
Okay.
Yeah,
Maybe
there's
I'm going
everything set to
insane, but
just
it seems
custom.
like okay. Better? Okay. Seems okay. Okay. Thank you, chat. Also, hello, Foulmeal.
Yeah. Also, I will stream in just a second. I have to reset some things because I forgot that I had to launch.
I need to make a bot that like
special
reads out
properties.
people's names for me because I can never pronounce anybody's name. Like, I can't. So I just be like,
That's
hello,
crazy. Bro doesn't
hello
even try.
person. Because I can't. It's like, it's not possible.
I can't
it's
try.
physically
I can't
not
try.
possible. Dude has to add a compression filter for low frequency? Who? Me or Bitlytic?
Definitely not me.
Yeah.
Unless Discord is doing some weird shit
I
with
need
my
to
microphone.
adjust my mic at some point a little bit. It is a little, How will the bot know how? I mean, I don't care if they pronounce it wrong. It's just so I don't have to pronounce it wrong, you know?
Yeah, you're gonna use the bot as a cop-out. I see.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's see. Am I good to go live? Fuck it. I hit the start streaming button. We find out what happens. Hello. Hello.
Are you live
I think
now?
I'm
Let's
live.
go.
I don't know. Let's find out.
Yeah, let me steal your chat. So
If you start the stream together.
Your chat. I don't know how to start the stream together. Okay.
Brother. Ah shit. I accidentally opened up someone's stream. Or I opened up Twitch and it started auto.
Another waypoint on cap. Never mind. Now it sounds good. Okay. Cool.
Hello.
Perfect. Oh, I got.
Perfect.
I was streaming to Axel the Northern Line horsey game.
Dude, what? I've seen a little bit of it whenever like it's in bits and banter or whatever. I'm like, what the fuck is that game?
It's like so funny. But Axel said that he might start watching Northern Line because of that, which is beautiful. There we go.
Okay. Alright, you join the stream together, brother.
Oh wait, how do I join stream together?
I invited you.
I've never heard those words before. What does that mean?
Do you honestly think you're fucking funny?
Yes, I'm very funny.
Alright.
I'm like the funniest streamer ever.
Alright, start sharing chat.
Start sharing.
Start sharing.
Start sharing.
Alright. Ah shit, where's my music display? Fuck, I forgot to run the... Hold on.
Forgot your like whatever it is.
Yeah, I gotta run my fucking web server.
Whatever it's called.
Anyone know what port I used? Oh, no, I have a fucking start script in here. Holy shit, I'm literally goated.
You're literally goated.
Does it run? Oh shit, dude, it's sick. Does it work? Oh shit. Wait. Refresh? Ah. Yay! Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah, I need to put together my my script of stuff that I had on Windows that like opens up all of my programs. And
I need to get Linux. Do you know if Rocket League runs on Linux?
It does. I played. I don't know. I played it through Steam.
Oh yeah. Right.
The answer is probably though. But I did play Rocket League with you on Steam for a little bit. The only problem was I think it was something that I did wrong. I didn't have any of my presets, but I had all of my items, which was very annoying.
Weird.
Which is, I think it was like
it might have been like a syncing issue. Yeah, I know I had an issue when I first played it on PC that it like didn't show any of them, and I had to like restart the game a couple times before everything showed up.
Yeah, but let's find out if
I don't care that much.
Yeah, I'm gonna find out if my social stream thing works. If I can, if it'll show my chat. Activate source. You didn't open a window. You need to be sudoed? Do I need to sudo this? Dude.
Oh, did you see the latest train station updates? Added some nice windows and stuff.
Nerp. I will, I'll take a look in a little bit.
I need to figure out
why the hell this isn't working.
I'll explain more in a minute.
Yeah.
I'll wait.
Yeah.
I'm so patient and nice.
Yeah, okay, buddy. I believe that.
Yeah. You're so slow.
Me?
Yeah.
Why? What happened? Oh shit,
Don't worry
that's
about
not
it.
chat, that's just a second me. What the fuck?
What
are you doing up there?
One's already too much.
This is true.
Sorry. I'm so mean.
So
I'm
if I put
sorry.
that there, can
I'm
I send
sorry.
like an awawa here? Oh, it wants me to join Twitch today. That's great. Let's not do that, and instead, I guess I'll just send it on the actual website. Sure, dude. All right, did that send? Okay, that showed up in
There you
my
are.
chat
I see
app.
Awawa in my chat.
Yeah, don't worry. It's not for your chat. Send this here as well. Yay! Okay, my chat plugin works, so I can actually see. Or so the chat is on screen.
Ah, very cool.
Let's go. I hope it looks a little weird, but whatever. I'll fix it eventually. Did you push things up at all, or
I don't think I pushed anything up, no.
no?
No.
Okay. Where's my
Golf win. Maybe we'll play some golf on stream later.
What am I going to do? Mount the Godot Dante's 9 windows.
We need to add that in the game somewhere. Oh, I forgot. I actually was talking to one of the other.
Cat.
No, I was talking to another cat account that said that they could potentially get me in contact with cat.
Oh shit, that's
which
fire.
would be tough. So I need to message
I don't
them
even
again.
know
They're the one.
Cat.
What? I forget what their name is.
It's a tortie, right? Or am I thinking? of a
Yeah.
different one?
I think there's actually multiple cats. There's like a couple. Maybe.
Oh no, this isn't a tortie. This is a tabby that I'm thinking of.
Yeah. Is it
This
Apple?
thing.
Yeah. I think it's Apple.
The internet loves munchkin cats.
Yeah.
Oh, I should.
What am I doing?
Okay, I'm gonna finish this UI thing today because I hate it. Dog?
Dog.
Almost.
Yeah, close enough.
It's like you're
Good
like
try.
an early gen AI that's being trained to recognize images, and you saw a cat and you just said dog, like 70% confidence, and I just have to like kind of spray water at you.
Yeah. I need a
Fuck, I need to
soundboard for
spray
stream.
sound on
Yeah, it's like the exact same thing.
What'd you say?
Because I have the Discord soundboard, but I can't use that because it's not...
Yeah, I
Oh.
think I won't worry about it. I
Oh,
have the
the
sound.
rain
I just need to
doesn't
put
loop.
it on my Linux drive so I can put it on my Go XLR.
Bitlytic, the rain doesn't loop. The rain sound. It doesn't
What?
loop. What did you
Why
do?
What did I do?
did you
I think
do
it was
to-
whenever the shit was moved. It broke the import, and I think
thought
the
you
rain
had
just
fixed
wasn't
those.
No, I fixed only the ones that were necessary. I think.
Oh, okay.
Although,
So then that
I
one
thought I
wasn't
tried-
necessary already.
Hold on. Wait. I
Alright,
thought I
bro.
tried to fix the rain one. What's the rain sound called?
I
You're
don't
looking
know.
for it, actually.
That's
Never
what I'm
mind. I don't know why the
looking
fuck
for,
I
yeah.
asked you. I see you scrolling through files. Is it rain loop 1.ogg?
Yeah, that's definitely it.
Okay.
Loop enable. There we go. Re-import. All better. Bro, it's 4
Okay,
hours
yeah,
early.
I didn't.
Dog, we stream at 2:30 on Sunday.
Yeah, that's like our
Silly guy.
goober.
Silly goober.
Okay.
And we're gonna be playing golf later, right? On stream.
Nope.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nope. So I asked you before about UI
Mhm.
stuff. Was that on stream or was that something just in Discord? I don't remember.
Oh, I don't know.
I was asking you about the looping around of this.
Oh yeah. I think that was on stream.
Okay.
Maybe.
I still don't really know how I want to fix or like figure this out.
You could just make it do whatever it does right now, and just call that good.
No, but that's yeah. Sorry, I meant more like because I don't want to have to. Let me think of how to describe this. I want to be able to just lay out a UI and have the like directions that you press things like handled automatically, so we don't have to define it. Like how on the menu you have to define things as going like left and right, and then like if you change the order of the controls, you actually have to change it in a separate array. I don't like that.
Oh yeah.
So I want to fix that. Which brings me to this UI here. Is like kind of manually defined, which is a problem. So I'm just trying to think of how I want to
Okay.
Loop this bitch around, or like figure out how to automatically assign it.
You gonna add chest
And like I could
mimics?
do, like,
Maybe. Probably. What if instead of chests they were like boxes? There's like cardboard boxes.
boxes.
And instead of having items, they just give you more cats, so then you just collect a bunch of cats, and there's like
How am I?
eventually you just have like an army of cats that all shoot cards and guns.
How did I do this?
Hmm?
The sound when you hover a card, when it's on mouse, is the same as whenever you swap to the card on controller, but it is louder when you swap to it on controller.
Well, yeah, that's because it's playing it in completely different places.
Yeah, probably. Or it could be
I know
playing
that
it
because
twice.
I think I added that, or I
Hold on.
changed some of that at some
Why
point
is-
because some of them were missing sounds. I think.
Oh, this program isn't fading the messages. So now I just have a bunch of chat messages on screen. Oh no. All right, let's figure this out together, boys. Let's do it. How do I fade this? There's a search button in here, I thought. Is there not? What? I thought there was like a search button in this thing. Oh, there is. It's right here. Oh my god, dude, the UI on this, look at this. This is the search. Like, it just feels wrong. I don't know what this is supposed to be. Show only enabled options? Sure. Select language. Yeah, okay, buddy.
Bro is
Whatever.
blind. Yeah, that's true. That's very true.
Well, because like the search button is like completely unnecessary because they could just have a field here that you could type into. There's so much real estate vertically that you could just have that there, and you can just type into it whenever you want.
Okay.
So I want to do fade. I would imagine it would be this, but I don't. That doesn't seem right. Unless it's this. Why? Dude, I hate that they use emojis on all of this shit. It pisses me off. Like, what do you mean stream events fade up in a way you use a cigarette emoji? Auto hide
I mean,
messages.
why
Okay,
not?
that's what it is. After 30 seconds? Sure. Which means I think I need to reopen this. Let's hope that this doesn't, like, absolutely break. I don't even know how that's still there on my screen. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna send another Awa in chat. Oh, just kidding. I can't do it there. Okay. Does that work? Okay, that looks like that works. Sick. What was being said? There was something being said, I think. What are you doing?
Train.
And was there something that you said to me about?
Oh no, I don't think so.
Okay.
My messages, they will never be read again. Yes, this is true, but he doesn't read his chat, so I have to read it for him.
This is true.
It's a little sad, but that's just how it is.
It's not that sad. It's called, like, necessary, is what I would say. But,
Yeah.
you know, pop off.
Lazy dev. Lazy
Yes,
dev
sir. Yes,
here.
sir. Don't you have someone on your server named Lazy?
I mean, yeah, I think so.
That's the real lazy dev.
That's crazy, bro. It's like I'm not lazy because someone else is called lazy. Yeah.
Your favorite furry game dev?
Yeah, see whose
he's
chat
over at
that's in? See whose chat that is?
youtube.com/at Tempura Games. I don't know if you know that he's also streaming. You don't just have to watch my stream to see him. Okay. So what I was thinking about is allowing... I need some quantifiable way to tell what direction something should be in. Obviously, we can kind of see that we have a control here, we have a control here, and if it's to the right, that's like our nearest neighbor to the right. But I don't want to just like look at this control and then loop through all of the other controls in the group to find the direction of everything.
His chat is dead as hell, that's why he's... You're gonna...
Oh, why are you cutting out? JW? Because, like, I think obviously for these, I could convert these into grids. And that would probably work fine, but... Let's just start with the naive approach. Whatever. Also, JW, are you back? Hello? Oh no, his microphone's dead. I can see his stream moving, but I can't hear him.
I don't know what I did, but it works now. I don't know what happened, because the mic stopped working on OBS too. Then I don't think I did anything, I just tried opening up the settings menu, then I sat there for like 2 minutes waiting for the settings menu to open, and it never opened. Because, I love Windows.
True.
Why does the settings menu
it's...
genuinely take like 5 minutes to open? Like, why?
Because it's like a React app or something.
Like, what?
Yeah, exactly.
It's evil. He got roasted in the Shadow Realm, yeah. You guys should totally join my chat. It's like way more fun here. You get like little guys that walk around.
Notification 15 is unpaused. Notification 16 is physics process. Okay, cool. What about the accessibility notification? I'm just curious. I noticed that there was a notification accessibility update, but I also noticed that it isn't actually being triggered, which is kind of cool. Let's just restart the game and see what happens. Maybe it's an issue of something. I actually have no idea how Godot's accessibility stuff works, so... Yeah, 1002, that's not the notification that I was looking for. Really cool. Is this something that needs to be affected here? No. Accessibility is not something I understand. I guess maybe it needs to be in control nodes, actually. That might suck. That would be really annoying. Okay, what other things can we queue up? Is it just queue free and queue accessibility update? That's so annoying. Unless there's something in here. Is queued for deletion, yeah. Can I notification? Or, yeah, notification. Is this a thing I can do? No, I don't think I want to do that.
Okay, I see. Hmm.
Does anyone know how to do this, or am I stupid? I might be dumb. I feel dumb.
What are you trying
How
to
can
do?
I'm trying to call a function deferred, but in a way that doesn't trigger multiple calls.
I don't know.
Okay. Maybe I'll do like update.
I should probably
else.
learn how to like program and stuff. Because
And
I
can just say,
definitely don't know how to
if
program
not
at all.
queued. I can do test stop call deferred and set updates queued equal to true. And then inside of this deferred function, I guess I can just do this. I was hoping that there would be like some engine way that I could do this without having to manually write this, but I guess not. So the way that this should work is all of the items should be added, and then after all of the item added messages are printed, it should print the test deferred the next frame, I hope. Yeah, okay, cool. Looks like it did. Sick. I think I can do that, and then I'll probably call this like like order items. We'll say order items. Okay, so what do I need to do? I need to find the closest elements to something. Oh, Lord.
When it is cooked, it's over.
Yeah, pretty much. That's going to be annoying because I can do 4 item in items. And then I would have to do an extra loop, which would be checking install other items. So I want to grab... Let me think about this. Let me try to put this into words, and then I can put it into code. So I want to, let's say, given this card, I need to find the closest cards on the right, the left, down, and potentially up. However, I don't want... Like, what would be an up? I would need to know that for sure none of these cards would be the closest up because they're technically not up. But even if it was like, let's say the card was right here, I would say like, I don't want that to be up because it's the one for right. Maybe I could use the dot product for this. That sounds wrong, but maybe I could actually. Say like right weight is vector 2 dot right dot with diff.
I love when my chat windows just randomly turn black and then flash for a second.
Mm-hmm.
Very cool.
Yes, sir. Hmm.
What did I do? What did I break? Huh? Good.
Wait. Widow has focus neighbors for stuff. Is that something I can leverage somehow? Because I know that sometimes this shit gets assigned automatically. Because I know that these, I think, are done automatically sometimes. Oh. Ooh. Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on. This might be like the play. Find the next control that can receive the focus on the specified side. Okay, sick. Never mind. Fuck that. I will comment this out for
Thank you for the
now.
follow.
Oh, hello. Sorry.
Sorry,
295.
What
Are you
a
asking?
name.
Is that? I wish it would show me the icons in my OBS. Is that in my chat or yours?
That's in your chat.
Okay. I mean, I guess that would make sense for using Windows. I feel like everyone knows that shit. But
Actually, you
I'm
can't
using
really tell
Nobara.
mine because I have the taskbar covered up.
Do you?
Yeah, because I have my stream avatars
Oh. Oh, I see.
that are on the
I
bottom of
guess
the screen.
it's Windows enough.
Yeah.
But I'm using Nobara with the KDE desktop environment, which is really nice because I come from Windows and it feels very Windowsy without Windows, which is like exactly what I want. For item in items. Console.print.
Alerting me when we play golf. Okay, I'll let you know when we're gonna stream golf.
Item.target.get neighbor. Get focus. Get next. Find next valid focus. Sure. Nope. Wrong. Find valid focus neighbor. I hope that is actually run correctly. So let's say I print out item.target and the nearest neighbor on the bottom side. What would this look like? So the rusty pistol sees the soul dispenser. The soul dispenser sees the rusty pistol. Okay, so these are already set up actually because of shit that I did. So let's tell this to stop setting up neighbors for a moment. I think that's the only place I set up a neighbor, right? Yes. Okay, cool. So let's see what happens now. You also use Nobara? Nobara is really nice. It's very, very nice. It does take a little bit of technical stuff still, you know, as Linux is, but honestly, it's fine. Let's ask people to use their brains just a little bit.
No,
Okay, so I see that you're still setting up. You're still setting up this, which is a little bit worrying for me. So, let me kill this current message because it's pissing me off. Oh no, okay, that's actually perfect. Kind of. Okay, so does that mean... I see. So this is a slight problem. What is UI group.ge? like an enum somewhere? It is. Side. Can I limp over... Limp? What? Can I loop over an enum like this in Godot, like a default enum? No, you can't. I can do side and 4 though, and then I can say our side is I as side, right? Yep, that works. And then I can do item.target.focus neighbor or set. Can I really not set a focus neighbor through that? Set focus neighbor. Okay, thank you for not telling me that was a thing. Merp? This is so true.
This is so true.
Big merp meow. How do you feel about merp meow, JW?
I give it out like a 6 out of 7.
Man.
What?
Nothing, don't worry about it.
I think
just,
that's a pretty good
kinda
rating.
hate you. I just kinda hate you.
Yeah, that's fair.
Yeah.
Oh dear, what happened to my background? What did I do?
Red. Please don't crash. You might crash. This might just be like annoying. Okay. Cool. So it didn't crash, but it's not exactly working. I guess we're gonna bring back the console print. Oh, duh, because I'm stupid. I'm doing this. I should be using side. Like so. Please. I don't understand, actually. It's not up int item dot. Oh, sorry. Let's find out what this is. Because this should be getting set correctly, but I guess it's not. Cool. How am I stupid? What am I doing that's stupid? Something in here is dumb.
Stupid.
Stupid. Are we correctly looping over side? We are. Are we correctly finding the neighbor? My guess is no. Item.target neighbor and side. Oh. Huh. I am using Novara Linux. Big fan of Novara. So long as it's not GNOME. Why is this? Find valid focus neighbor. Finds the next control that can receive the focus on the specified side. I don't understand how this was working before, I thought. Let's try this. Item.target. Find a valid focus neighbor. We'll just check the bottom and we'll see what happens. Nope. Am I stupid? The answer may surprise you. Oh, I think I know what's going on. I think I know exactly what's going on. Or at least I know something that's going on. Item.target.focus mode. I need this to be able to grab focus. And then after all of this is done, we should disable focus. So that this goes back to normal. Maybe that's the problem. It is not the problem, unfortunately. Oh, I feel stupid. I feel dumb. I hate UI. I hate UI so much. Object null. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, like I can't move my thing around at all. So Rusty Pistol is seeing itself as the only one. That's so fucking annoying. Okay, maybe I do actually have to do this myself. That's so annoying. It's fine though. So for you, let's say for what's my best way of doing this? If this is page,
I don't know what I'm breaking. I hate Parallax backgrounds so much.
Yeah,
They're not like
That's fair.
annoying. It's just like the layering and making it look even. And, maybe
Real,
maybe
yeah.
I'll make you do all the art.
What? You don't want that.
Yeah, I know. I don't.
I know you don't.
Like, why are there? There's two of these. There's two of these pillar things, but if I look in, so that should be the 1, 2, 3. That's the wrong layer. That's not. It's not real. Oh, it is.
It's
Wait.
not real. I'm telling you right now, that motherfucker right there is not real.
Okay, so you, and then you're that pillar, and you are that. Okay, you need to be the window. Then you need to be the back, and you need to get killed.
What?
Yeah. Sorry.
No, dude.
There we go. That's slightly better.
What in the fucking world am I writing? Also, why is this? What are you upset about? What are you upset about, actually? I don't know why you're... Why are you pissed? Where did I fuck up? There's something wrong with my syntax, apparently. Or not? Okay, never mind. I lied. I'm goated or something. I don't even know what I just wrote. I just wrote something. Please tell me this is somehow right. I'm gonna pray that this somehow does what I want it to. It did something.
It did something. That's good. That's good.
It didn't crash, which is cool.
That's also cool.
Like, I think I'm onto something, but like visualizing how this is gonna behave feels really weird.
I can't help you, so good luck.
Yeah, that's okay. This might crash. Maybe it won't though. Okay, it didn't. So for... Let's make this a little easier to read. So for the rusty pistol, the right neighbor is... Oh, well, that's wrong.
There we go. I think that looks good now.
Wait. What? Huh?
Misenter the Gungeon glitch chest. They've 1,000 chance to spawn. I have never seen a glitch chest. I did one time get a combo that crashed the game though. I think
That's pretty cool.
Is it just called syringe? Whatever like the poison syringe gun is. That plus bouncing bullets. For some reason there's something with it that just makes it bounce infinitely. Which I think normally works pretty well, like it doesn't crash, except I tabbed out of the game to try to record it, but it kept running the like particle simulation in the background, so when I tabbed back in, it spawned like 5 billion particles at once and crashed the game.
Dante's 9 reference, what the fuck?
Yeah. And the seed thing, I don't know how it works with Gungeon, but when it reloaded, it didn't save the seed, so I didn't get the same combo again, which is really sad. Like, it reloaded me into the same level, but it was, like, completely different. Which was very sad.
Wait.
Because apparently it's really overpowered, it's just, like, a little bit laggy sometimes.
Oh my god, I'm a goober. Oh my god, I'm a goober.
You're a goober.
I was subtracting the vectors in the wrong direction. I was subtracting A from B and not B from A. Hold on. Wait,
Many such cases.
So, Rusty Pistol on the right points to Rusty Pistol. Rusty Pistol on the bottom points to Soul Dispenser. The second Rusty Pistol. Ah, shit, that's a problem. You point to...
They teleport you to the next floor where you fight a glitched boss, and if you win, you get 10 or 11 item pistols. What the heck? Insane. A little bit.
Ooh, that's wrong. And I don't know why that's wrong. Can I not do math? What is, Wait, maybe I might have been reading the wrong thing. Let me just rerun this one more time and then pray that this... I don't know why it's printing out a lot. So Rusty Pistol points wrong. Wrong as fuck, actually. I don't know, why are there so many of these, actually? What the hell?
Also, the 1 in 1,000 chance that a rainbow chest is disguised as a brown chest. Okay. Yeah, obviously I haven't played enough Gungeon. Clearly.
Oh, is it because it's keeping the old items around whenever the menu closes? Instead of printing this out, print out the size of the array. I don't have time to read through those and see what... Yeah, okay. It is. So I need to... Oh, man. Wait, what? I'm gonna do something evil. I'm gonna wait one single frame. And then now you should have the correct amount of objects. Nice. Okay, now let's see what happens here. So Rusty Pistol points to the second one, and it's down to Soul Dispenser. Second pistol points to the first one, the knife, and also the Soul Dispenser. That's a problem. One of you should be pointing to this energy drink, and none of you are. I don't know how or why.
Imagine not playing through Into the Gungeon Rainbow mode in Daisuke mode? What the heck is that?
Why did you... Daisuke mode?
Daisuke?
What is Daisuke mode?
I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce that. Daisuke.
It's a Daisuke.
Daisuke. Okay. How am I supposed to know?
Because it's like a fairly common, like, Japanese
I have never
name.
seen that in my life. Ever.
That's the name of the motherfucker that made Cave Story. His name is Daisuke Amaya. AKA Studio Pixel.
You expect me to know that?
You don't know shit, dude. This man knows nothing.
I be a not knower.
Yeah.
They call me the one who doesn't know.
Wait, what? I'm like kind of surprised that Godot doesn't have like a mouse. Like, is the mouse hovered over this thing? Function? Really?
Really?
I feel stupid. I feel dumb. There's no way it doesn't have one. I guess not, but like, weird. That's okay because I think you should have. Still, yeah, you're still extending this element, which is great for now, I guess. Dude, speaking of Cave Story,
What?
got a Cave Story song.
Why are we
my
speaking
thing.
about Cave Story in the Big
What?
25?
Oh, you're evil. Doesn't this have like a hover sound? Oh, you don't have a function to tell that you've been hovered. You just have a sound that you play when you're hovered. That's cool. Didn't know that.
Turbo mode is peak, however. I can't stand playing the game without it. What the heck is turbo mode?
You know turbo mode?
No.
It makes like everything way faster.
That sounds awful.
No.
Maybe it's
There's
fun.
also I've talked about this before. I really like the rainbow mode where it gives you a rainbow chest at the start of each floor and then no other chests.
Yeah, I haven't played that one. I don't know how to get that one. I'm not gonna lie. I've played like the random
Always
mode
time to talk about Cave Story. True.
with like the where you get like a random thing every room.
Yeah, it has the mouse enter, mouse exit thing. I just was hoping that there was an easy way to find out what control. Oh wait, I'm stupid. I'm so dumb. There is a oh my god, on the viewport I can do get control? GUI get hovered control? Yeah, that one. There we go. So I don't have to look for it. I can just say, like, just give me the control. Let me make sure this works, though. Oh, you can naturally get a 1 in 1,000 spawn and open it. That's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool.
Fuck with that.
Okay, there we go. I think that might be good for now.
What in the world? What is focus spot? What is this? Who are you? Focus spot? Is this something I made? This is something I made. Search with AI. Fuck off, dude. How do I disable everything? Is this Copilot? Ew. Get the fuck out of here. I haven't fully de-copiloted everything on my Linux yet, unfortunately. Or not everything. Linux doesn't naturally have very much, but the Visual Studio Code specifically.
Yeah.
Dude, I just saw your chat flash out of the corner of my eye.
I don't know why it does that. I think it's my internet.
It might be. I don't know. The computer's just like it's
Just
like how
no
Discord
more.
refreshes whenever it runs out of RAM.
Anyways, I think I got the parallax finally looking nice for the train. I need to figure out what to do about like the background behind the windows, but the windows themselves look kind of nice. What do you think? Something else I want to look at is the environment node that we have for the environment that we have for everything. I noticed that I think with the new update, with the glow being slightly less, I think it also makes the game a little darker.
Yeah.
Because I'm having trouble like seeing a lot. Like I don't have trouble on my big monitor because my big monitor is nice and bright. But I noticed that like especially on my laptop monitor, it can be kind of hard to see things when I don't remember it being quite as hard. So I might see if I can turn up the brightness on there a little bit. There's a way to just do that there. We have the environment in here somewhere, right?
Yeah, it's called default environment.
Default environment, yeah, okay.
And you can change that. It should update while you're in the game.
Glow adjustments. Let's just turn the brightness up to like 1.2. There we go. Even that's like pretty big difference. I think just having that as like an option in the settings. Yeah, I can see so much better
like
on my
up thing.
Yeah, I can see so much better on my laptop monitor now. Let's see if I switch to like an actual run. I know you guys can't see this because like, yeah, that's way better already. Like before in like a regular run, I would just have trouble like seeing anything on my laptop. But with like the outlines and the... That might even be a little bit too much. Yeah, let's make it like 1.15. Yeah, even that's nice. Yeah, I like that. Good to know that's easy to just do that. I was also noticing in the trailer it looks a little bit dull, kind of, but not terrible.
Yeah.
Oh, I did also, I joined another server that another game dev guy has that has other cool game dev people on with boards, so I joined the VC and a couple people were playing. They weren't playing my playtest when I joined, but we just ended up talking and I told them about my game and they played the playtest. So.
I see. That's fire. I'm a big fan of
but they seem to really like it.
Playtesting.
I think pretty much the general consensus that whenever I playtest, it's like the first 5 minutes, it's like, oh, this is weird and confusing, and then after like they figure it out, it's fun. There's obviously still some stuff that
we might need to focus on like a tutorial, like really like good way of explaining things at some point.
I definitely think it could be improved, but I think the tutorial is definitely better.
Yeah.
And one of them was like, I don't want to figure out the tutorial, and they figured it out without a tutorial, so that's good. At least they figured out most of it.
Okay, so what am I looking at here? So for Rusty Pistol, don't know why it's printing twice, but it is. Fair enough. Let's just print out this console not print. I need to know the direction of this, the current weight, and the other target, so that I know where these are going. So if I do this,
That still might be a little bit too much brightness. Let's do like 1.13.
statements
Yeah,
actually.
that's probably good. One deadlock.
Evil.
Okay. Actually, Moaz, we're gonna stream golf. So if you want to join,
That's not true. I'm not doing that.
you would just hate fun.
I do. I do.
This guy's like, I want to work
Look,
on
you're
my
gonna play on that fuck-ass
games.
rule set where you
No,
can
we
hit
won't.
each
No, we
other's
turned it
ball.
off. We turned it off. Okay.
Yeah, okay, buddy. I believe that.
No, I do actually want to play golf.
Evil. What?
We should. We should.
Why is... why
Okay.
is this...
What am I doing? Let's make some assets for the train. First things first. Train tracks. Stealing medium. Guess I only need like a 16 by 16. Wheel of tiling.
What am I doing? One out into the stream? Yeah, that's like... Yep,
I go to
Your goat is washed.
Yes. Yes. Facts.
this is true. We know this one
Can
already,
confirm.
actually.
Hmm. I can't think of a good 6-7 joke, and I'm sad.
Where? How? Why?
Just in
Wh-
general,
what?
like,
Just in general?
Yeah.
Just like you're thinking about your stand-up routine right now?
yeah, I'm thinking about it. I'm
Okay.
thinking about it.
Fair enough. So... why in the fucking world... Oh, I put the prints in the wrong direction. That should be... that makes it a little bit clearer to see. Not like this is going to be easy to read in the slightest, but... okay. So... actually, you know, I'm going to do something smart. I'm sorry, I've been doing this for like a long
That's
time.
a first.
Yeah. I'm going to clear my deck, and I'm going to add specific cards so it's a little bit easier to see in the logs what's happening.
Wow.
Now if I clear this and hit 3, hooray. Okay. So we're on the op, so the AK should be the closest card to the left. It's not? Oh no, I'm so unbelievably stupid. I'm printing the wrong thing. What? so the op is at 421, 333. The beehive is at 348. Oh, I see kind of. I see kind of one thing that's going on, which is that I need to be using the center of the rectangle first of all, instead of the global position. Wait, I wonder if this, okay, now I'm gonna feel really dumb if this is the case. I was doing something earlier that didn't work, and it may be because of the fact that there were still old elements in the array.
Rude.
Let me see if this works before I go any further, because I would love to not have to do this. Where I in 4. Which you're gonna give me a warning, but I don't care. Apparently you're not. It's fine. Let's try this and see what happens. No errors. That's cool. Don't know if it... Okay, it definitely didn't work.
Hop on golf. Chat, do I go play golf instead of streaming with this guy?
Probably.
And maybe give it a little bit. It's only 4. I need to figure out what I'm doing with the background here.
I don't understand how in the world
Golf stream?
this is seeing itself as a focus neighbor. But I don't... Why? Why are you doing that? Why are we doing this? I thought the Godot just had focus neighbors built in, but I guess not.
I guess not.
Guess not. Ooh, wait, hold on. Okay, so that kind of works. That actually does work, I think. If I just let Godot take care of it, mayhaps. Minus the... Ugh, some of these are a little weird. Like, I can't loop back around up at the top, which feels wrong. Also, if I press right... Where did you say? Okay, question GW.
Uh-huh.
Can you look at my screen?
Uh-huh.
So the card I have selected, if I press right, where should this go in your mind?
I don't know.
Okay.
I genuinely have no clue.
That's fine. This ends up for this. It ends up being it goes up to the beehive by default in Godot, which feels a little weird, but
What would you think it
fine.
would do?
I don't know, to be honest. I would maybe assume a wraparound, because in my mind it's like you're pressing left, which is like a row-based like change.
Yeah, maybe.
And you wouldn't expect it to affect the column.
I can see how either being like valid.
Yeah, okay. Maybe I just let Godot handle this. It seems to know what it's doing better than I do.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, but this loops around, and this one is our custom inventory stuff, which is nice. And I do like that quite a lot. Also, I guess I don't really need to make a one-size-fits-all solution either.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plan to the Gungeon? Maybe. Oh, wait, this actually looks kind of cool. It's a little too bright, but it looks kind of cool.
Let me try to hammer away this a little bit more before I give up and just let Godot take the wheel. So what was wrong with this again? Because I was using the position of the control rather than the center of the control. Does this make more sense if I look at this? Left is AK, right is beehive. These are not... Oh, no, these might be the same position, actually. I'm not printing the right thing out. Okay, those are the same.
Wait, that looks kind of cool. I still feel like it's too bright.
Oh, damn, that is fucking nice. That is a really cool looking thing. I really like that vibe that it's got.
Yeah. Maybe if there's like more stuff filling out the scene, it'll look less weird. I don't know. But it works.
So for a left input... Oh, that's annoying. Wait, you only have... What? What? Oh, sorry, wrong one. So for a left input, you have an item. For a right input, you have an item. And for a down input, you have an item. What is the item, though? Also, in what... What? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna put this into an online dot product calculator. Because I need to a dot product vector online. Surely I know there's a website that's like a cool version of this, right? That I can just like...
Yeah, for sure. I love
Is it you? It's you. Is there any chance I can type this into the thing? No. Okay. I forgot. Dude,
Okay, here we
I
go.
hate these websites.
I think that's it.
I hate these websites so much because they're not like they're not meant for someone who just wants an online calculator for this because it's like mostly for like people in school trying to do their homework, which means
know.
they need like the individual steps. And it's like I
I've done
could
the
probably do a
exact
dot
same
product if I
thing.
felt
It's
like it. What?
I said I've run into the exact same things before when I've like.
Yeah, it's
couple
like, no,
times I've
dog, I
done
just
something
want like
that.
I want a thing. I type in the numbers and it does it for me because I don't feel like getting out a pencil and paper and fucking doing a dot product right now. So
Discovered the
why
sawed
are
off is very
there-
good for
Oh, I see.
testing parallaxes.
So the knife, knife and kunai are on the same level. So I don't know why these are returning the same thing. Wait. No. No. Let's, oh, I know I'm doing something stupid. I should be printing out the diff as well. Surely not, right? Like surely the dot product of 0, 1 and 298.8, no, not that one, sorry. 236 and 364. So that is, yeah, that's 364. And if I replace this with this number, surely that's not the exact same. Oh my god, it is? What? Why?
What?
Wait, no, like actually what? Am I misunderstanding dot product? Oh my god, I think I am. Oh my god, wait, no, I am hella using the wrong thing here. Or not. Is there a way to find out how similar vectors are in Godot? I thought dot product would do it, but because... Oh my god, that's so annoying. Isn't a dot product just multiplying the vectors by the cosine of the angle between them? I don't believe so. I don't think you need to use a cosine for a dot product.
I don't
Because
remember
I thought
what
the
it
dot
is.
product is like very, very like simple math.
It is, I think.
It is, yeah. It's like x times x plus y times y or some shit.
Yeah. Yeah. That sounds right.
Yeah. So the problem is, that's so annoying. I guess that does make sense now that I'm thinking about the math, but like that's annoying. So the dot product between here and also the dot product here are the same because it just kind of truncates towards like cardinal, like dot product versus the down direction. So I just want to find what vector is the closest or like the best vector for this direction. And I can't just use angle because if it was too far away, I could use angle and distance, but I thought that the dot product would take care of that. But I don't believe it's the magnitudes multiplied times the cosine. Are you sure? Dot product cosine. No, to get... You can use the You can use cosine with a dot product, but I don't think it actually uses the cosine. Let me look. God, if only Wikipedia articles on math weren't the most annoying thing ever to read. The dot product of two vectors. The dot product of two vectors, which is A is A1, A2 all the way up to AN, and B is B1, B2 up to BN. Specified with, well, where sigma denotes summation. Yeah, dude, that's great. Yeah, so the dot product of the vector 1, 3, and minus 5 with itself is just x times x plus y times y plus z times z. So the actual dot product is just this number. You can use it with cosines to get something. I don't remember exactly what it is, which is the law of cosines. Yeah, okay, dude. So the dot product itself isn't specifically I think to project a vector onto something is how you use the cosine, but I don't 100% remember, nor do I really care enough. I just want a way to find like similar, because I thought the dot product would, and it doesn't. This can be used to compare, for example, that A dot B is equivalent to B dot A. Sure. What methods do we have? I'm sure that there's a method that's like, how similar are these two? Right. Maybe not. How similar are two vectors? What do we got? What do we got?
At Grok, how do I see how two vectors are similar?
No, not that.
My bad, gang.
Yeah, it is your bad gang.
Yeah.
I'm looking up specifically Godot. I'm sure that someone in Godot. No. Bleh. Okay, whatever. So I guess here's what I'm gonna do. Unfortunately, I think I'm going to. I guess I could multiply the dot product with like the distance or the length of the vector or something. That might be fine. Sure, let's see what happens. Oops, I'm holding down my controller in my lap. So it's interrupting the mouse. Okay, so what are we seeing? So the final weights for op are... I forgot to print out the correct thing. Oopsies. Oh no, you're going to be annoying because you have the focus item thing. This item... Give me a toString function and return the target. Stringed. So this guy sees on the left, he's pointing to the AK. On the right, he's pointing to the beehive, and down, he's pointing to kunai, which is correct. Hooray. This one will be pointing towards, hopefully op, brick, and probably kunai, just because it's the closest one down, but we'll see. Where is... Okay, so final weights for beehive is op, brick, kunai. Okay, sick. So that looks like that does work. What happened? Oh, there's a Windows notification on your screen. That's kind of cool.
This is Elgato audio control server. Okay. Very
Do you
cool.
even have... Do you have anything Elgato?
Yeah, my Stream Deck.
Hmm.
So, I don't know.
I forgot.
It didn't like me running my game, apparently.
Fire. We should do a thing where we check for certain like peripherals, like why is that train going backwards?
The value's wrong.
We
Don't
should
worry
check
about
if they have like a Razer device plugged in. If we do, we just like crash the game.
That was actually way easier to do than I thought it would be. I thought I was gonna have to do some animation or something. But no, that's just an auto scroll.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's kind of fire.
I have trains in the background.
Whoa. So this thing works, and now I need to actually hook this up to the correct function, which will be
Wait,
what?
is that my computer? That was my computer just made that noise.
I hope so. I don't think you have my stream audio on.
I don't. Yeah, I heard like a doo doo doo. I don't know where it came from.
I feel like when I'm on Windows 11 and there's like a pop-up, it feels like the sound that it plays is similar to the start of like the evolution theme from Pokemon. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
He has no idea what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I've got the closest controls now, which is great. That's terrific. That's beautiful. Couldn't have asked for anything better. However, gang, I do need to know what. Oh, I guess put I in direction dot directions dot size. Direction is.
Why is Moaz inviting me to play Deadlock? I didn't even have to open the chat to know what it is.
Why are you not set to offline on Steam?
I don't know how to do that.
That's the real question. Yeah, you do. I've talked about it many times, and you say I'm too lazy to do that.
I mean, yeah, that too, but...
Sorry, I don't want to listen to the tutorial theme from Rivals of Aether 2.
What?
Yeah, I know.
I'm sorry, I'll stop. No, I don't care.
You're just like tempting him. Could not resolve external class member ad group. Stop fucking lying to me, dude. I know you work. Evil code is like pretending that there's an error somehow on line empty. I don't know what's up with that LSP right now, but it's being weird. Here we go. So this will tell me what the closest of the info is, and then I can do what exactly. I guess I'm not doing this here. I want to do this in this function. You guys want to play Deadlock?
No, we're playing golf, remember?
No, I'm not playing golf.
This guy hates fun.
Yes. You know, maybe I'll play some Dwarf Fortress, actually. It might be the play.
It might be the play.
So now that I've gotten all the closest weights, I should know what sides we're on. Actually, I should make sure
We turn
that
up
this thing.
Oh, that's not what I meant to do.
Lol. Sniper takes inside. This is left, up, right, and down. I think it's the same order that I have. It's not. Up, right, down. Cool. Please don't crash. Oh, nice. No crash. Sick. Okay, so the AK points to op and knife. That seems correct to me. AK points to op and knife. Nothing on the left. Oh. Oh. Okay. Sure. Op and knife, and then op points to AK, beehive and knife, or kunai, sorry. Beehive points to op, brick, kunai, brick points to beehive and kunai, knife points to AK, kunai, kunai points to knife and op, and beehive. Okay, so that looks like it's the same as, at the very least, what Godot has been doing, which is great. Because that at the very least means that I am at parity with Godot. Yeah. I also do want to overwrite all of the focus neighbors whenever this thing gets added. Item, don't target, not set its neighbor. I null. Should be a node path, but it's null. Sure, dude. Didn't know node paths could not be null. What the hell? Why'd you go to hell? What was that?
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Ah! I'm testing the parallax to make sure the trains don't run into each other.
I see.
Oh, the time scale's so high that I can't jump.
Oh wait, I'm like stupid. I'm so dumb. That was literally the built-in Godot thing. So of course it's at parity with. Oh, there's a top viewers in your chat. Shit, I have to open this up on Twitch to ban them because I'm not logged into the thing on OBS. I hope that I can see the chat on the page. Okay, I can. Wait, I can't. What was their username? It's still here. It is. Slash ban. That's. You're gone. What would this be? This would be, I think I called this item. Yeah. And this is not the node. This is this focus item. Let's hope that this doesn't have issues. Okay, that seems right to me still. If I close and reopen, this doesn't seem to break. And I think this is actually running my code now, which would be sick. Should print like a gajillion times. I lied. Oh no, I didn't. Okay, I didn't lie. How many times does that print? 15 times, 6 cards. So this one would have 2. One would be 3, 3, 2. Yeah, that seems right. Okay, how do I make this loop around? Do I make this loop around? I don't want to make it loop around, but I don't know how to. Well, I could keep a track of... I could do the same thing that I was doing here to get the closest control, but I could do the opposite where I just get the furthest control.
Crazy.
That sounds gross, though. That sounds wrong as fuck. I'll put a hold on that. But at this point, I'm no better than Godot, which is fine. Because I guess that's where I would like this to be. So the new question is this enough to replace the other system? Or do I need to do more shit? I hope I don't have to do anything, or I hope I can just like outright replace the old shit. Because it is kind of terrible. Just this focus element stuff. Oh. I'm gonna put you on stream real quick, and I'm gonna use the bathroom. We're back.
Okay, well the choo-choo trains, seem to work fairly well. Alright, be back. Okay, welcome back, Twin.
Thank you, Twin.
Oh,
Thanks,
I see.
What are you seeing?
Because the time scale is higher, the time you have to hold down R to restart the game is way shorter.
Yeah.
That's really funny. So when I go to open the debug menu, it like dies. It doesn't like that. That's okay.
Yeah, that could probably be fixed.
Nah,
it's
fine.
like a super small thing.
All the choo-choo
Let's see. So I'm thinking about the way that I need to set this up so that we can do focusing and hovering. So you think? Let me ask you a question real quick. So let's say I'm in the menu, okay, and I'm like hovered over. Let me actually go back to the main menu because I guess this is where it's going to show it the best. So, oh, this isn't going to work because I turned off controller control on this page. Oh, I guess I didn't. I did. It's weird. So let's say I was using a controller right now. Just pretend I'm using a controller.
Mm-hmm.
So moving my controller so that one of these elements gets focused should be treated the same as hovering over it with the mouse, correct? It should just be like the same.
Yeah. I'd say so.
Okay. I can do that, probably. Yeah, I can do that. Sub YouTube? Hello! I don't know what that means, but actually, I'm not going to make assumptions. I'm probably wrong, but that's cool. Thanks. Let's see. So I can... So I'm going to have a focus item component, which is great. I need this to behave the same whether or not the controller was the reason it got focused or because of the mouse being the reason. So if I were to do here, let's connect two signals for the target node. So I'll say target dot hover mouse entered is what it's called. Oops. Unhovered. And mouse exited. I guess unhover entered and exited. And then the same thing for focus. Yeah. So let's say that I had these four functions. How are they triggered differently? Just agreeing. Oh, okay. Sub, probably, or something like that. Who knows?
Yeah,
I don't know why I'm moving my controller over here as if I can't just, as if I don't need this. Oopsies. I do know why. It's because my cat looked like she wanted to jump into my lap. She doesn't, apparently, so that's okay.
Goober.
Yeah, so, oh shit, that's a problem. No, that's not. I know why it's doing that. That's a me issue. It's because I'm stupid. And dumb. Yeah, it's because of you. You're being a problem. Oh, hi cat. There it is. Hello, sweet girl. Give me 2 seconds. Come on. Come on. There we go. Holy. Alright, now we're good. Sorry, old woman was taking a moment to figure out whether or not she actually wanted to be in my lab.
Silly.
Yeah, she's a little bit of a goober.
Yeah, she's kind of dumb.
No, she's not kind of dumb.
Okay.
She's actually really smart.
Mm-hmm.
She is. She's so smart, you have no idea.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Hmm. So I think what I can do is focus item on hover entered. If target can grab. Or no? What? What? Can focus. Focus. Is there not a function called can focus? What? No, there literally is a function called can grab focus, but apparently the game doesn't. The engine doesn't want me to know about that. Can grab focus. Oh no. What? Huh? Wait, I might be wrong. Can grab focus is a. That's a function I made. I'm stupid. Lol. So then I guess I'll just do like, whatever. You can just do grab focus. Or, yeah. Okay, that works. And then I think that means anywhere that we want to listen for that event. We don't actually have to listen for mouse exited or entered. We can just do focus, perhaps. Like, where am I doing a weird one? Like, I'm doing over or mouse entered. I'm doing this in hella places, actually. Hmm. Let me, I guess I'll toss this on the main menu and see what happens. See if this breaks or if I need to make any changes. So these guys no longer need to be focus element. It's gonna immediately break something. Okay. Let's say that I give these guys the UI, no, focus item node. And in the start menu, let's add what? I I guess this whole thing would be a thing, perhaps, right here. No, I need one more control in the interim, I guess, in like the in-between. This would be the layer, then the group would be something here. Yeah, fuck it, we'll just put like another control here for now. Okay, I think that's fine. Oh, no, this totally could have been here. Actually, yeah, that's totally fine. I don't know what the fuck I was talking about. This is so fine. Hopefully. Please be fine. Okay, I saw 7 debug errors. I don't know what's going on there. That's pretty sick. UI group added without UI layer. Uh-huh. Sure. I see what's happening. What in the fucking Wizard of Oz in the middle of the tornado did I just see go across your screen?
I'm trying to figure out how to make particles work.
That was so fucking funny. I don't know if they will, I'll be honest.
Yeah,
But
because
they
I
might.
want the particles to follow, which it kind of works. But if I don't set local chords, then it like when you move the camera, it also moves the particles. Which is
What?
like, see, this works fine.
Mm-hmm.
But then if I set it to like turn this up, that's gonna make the particles really tiny, but it's okay. Anyway, wait a second. See if I move the camera, they like go weird.
Oh. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. I mean, it makes sense. I just don't know if there's any way to fix it.
Well, why do you not want them to be local?
So that way, like, when the train moves along, the particles don't, like, follow the train. Because, like, see how they, like, kind of lag behind? If they don't do that, then they just go straight up and down, which looks really bad.
Mm.
I tried seeing if I could, like, simulate it with the particles, but it's kind of hard. Like, if I could do something with the
Yeah.
acceleration where, like, goes up and to the left, but it's kind of hard to do that.
Yeah, you're gonna be fighting for that for a little bit.
Yeah, I know.
Just, like, make a train that just moves across the screen.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna thought about doing.
Yeah, if you wanted to do, like, more interesting things, like,
Yeah.
you're probably better off just, like, coding a sprite that spawns on the left side of the screen, moves across, and then deletes itself.
But the other
after a
thing is
while.
it does need to be in line with the parallax.
Yeah.
Because, like, as you can see, as I move, like, up and down, this moves up and down. So
Yeah,
it might
I
have
guess
to be
that's-
something
oh,
funky with the particles.
I wonder how the parallax layers work. Actually, I don't know. Do they? Hi, Callie. What's up?
Just realized I'm missing a
Do the sprites actually
layer
move,
here.
or is it
I believe
like just
so,
a
yeah.
rendering thing? They do, you say?
I don't know. Actually.
Okay. I would imagine they do because
Yeah, I
the
would think
particles
so.
being offset. So what you
Yeah.
could do is
Here I was missing a layer. That
you
looks
could
nice
use a.
now.
Do you know about the remote transform nodes?
No.
Okay. So the remote transform node allows you to. I don't remember if you add it as a child of the thing that's moving or the thing that you want to move, but you can put a remote transform node on something and
Which is its own
point it.
transform 2D. Okay.
Yeah, so it'll point towards something and it will copy translations made to either the one that was being moved or the one that's moving. It'll do something.
This might not actually update it.
Yeah, it's also, I was thinking that you could use that to get the correct place to spawn the train. Although maybe you would have to use that as well.
Well, yeah, you would, because it's not just spawning. It's like if you
Yeah,
move
yeah,
up and
yeah.
down.
Makes sense.
That does not seem to work. So it may not move it. I don't want to use the global, probably.
I have no idea. What's the transform of the remote transform by default? I see that there's a transform thing down there.
Oh, here? Oh.
Yeah, turn that off. I have no idea what it's supposed to be, but...
Yeah, it doesn't seem to be working. I think it would be out over here.
You could also check the remote tab and look for the particles, I think, to see where they're at. It would update their actual transform.
Watch this.
What are you doing? Brother.
I will find it. Well, it's not out here.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to check the remote tab, perhaps, or is that...
Yeah, give me a second. Let me get back to land.
Let me get back to land. You're gonna go past the land. You're not close enough to get around to see it. Oh, I guess you were.
Yeah. Yeah,
Wow.
it's when. You. So it is moving.
If you move your... Oh, yeah, I see it's moving the Y position
Yeah.
as well as you move the things around. I just don't know where the fuck it's like...
Oh, it could
hella
be
far
layering
away.
issues. It could be the.
It could be...
I go to local and I take you. I move you over here. Yeah, layering.
Oh.
So you just need to be like up a layer, probably.
Also, move it to like 0, by default. We'll see what happens. Might be wrong.
Oh, it was there for a
It
second.
was there for a frame. Okay, maybe actually undo the 0 thing
Yeah,
that I
I
just told you to
I
do.
think you broke it by doing that.
Yeah, I've ruined it. Many such...
Many
Always.
such bitlytics.
Only one, actually.
Okay, so yeah,
Ooh.
oh, it's doing some weird stuff. I'm guessing visibility wrecked stuff.
Could be a lot of stuff, honestly.
Generate visibility.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah, I don't know, man. But you could use the remote transform to have like some sort of train something somewhere that does that rather than scrolling the layer. But I don't know. It might be...
No,
some
that's a
weird
good idea,
combination of
though,
shit.
yeah. I think.
It's at least something important to know about, just for whatever reference later.
Yeah. The other annoying thing is like, where do I spawn it? Like, do I spawn it, like, Like I'd have to find a point way out here to spawn it for it to go past. But that wouldn't be too hard.
Yeah, you can just like get the edge of the screen or whatever.
Oh yeah, I guess I could do something like that.
Just put it off the edge of the screen. That way ultra wide motherfuckers don't see the train spawn in the middle of the screen.
I mean, I was thinking I'd just make it way out there, but how do I get like the X position of the edge of the screen?
You can do get viewport rect, I think, is the one to get you your current one. It's either get viewport rect or it's some shit. I've done it a fuck ton of times in the code. It's not like we're doing it for the enemies as well. So
then I'd have to figure out when to kill them too.
Yeah, if it's off screen.
Yeah, well, but then the thing is some of these trains, you can move faster than the train. So, like, you don't want to instantly kill it off screen and then, like, oh, you can go catch up to it and then it's not there. I think that's a little weird.
You could just have it, like, off screen times, like, 1.5 or something if you really wanted to.
Yeah, that would be good.
Hey, dude, why is this not... UI group added without UI layer? Oh, because I'm stupid. I forgot. To do this. So I want you.
The train station is looking nice, and I don't even have any like good tiles yet. It's just the background.
Yeah.
Up we go.
Hop on League of Legends.
Up on golf.
I think not.
I need some like pillar tiles on the regular tile map too. I was looking if I made some pillars of just the regular ground terrain.
Okay, I think this should grab the correct thing. I hope. Please. Please, please, please. No debugger issues. Okay. Wait, no. Ah, damn it. Attempted to push back an object of type node into a type of... Oh. Yeah, dude. No, yeah. I just didn't expect to ever have anything other than a control in this, but whatever. Oh, and you know what? You're probably doing something evil, aren't you? I bet. Oh wait, no, never mind. You're not doing anything evil at all. Ah, wait. There's like something weird going on there. Maybe it's right. 1, 2, 5. Yeah, no, that seems right to me.
Oh, there we go. The big pillars actually look nice.
Okay, this is still using the old system. Why is there an error? What are you talking about, dude? Menu error calling from signal child exiting tree to callable HBox container. One child cannot convert original from object to object. Okay, dude. Be better, I guess. I don't know. Menu container to GD. Okay, I know what's going on. It's because of something in here. One child remove child control. I see. Yeah. I'll just say this is a node. I don't care. If child is control.
I may end stream somewhat soon. I'm getting kind of hungry.
Okay, probably same. Yeah, I haven't eaten anything today.
That's
See.
crazy.
What do you mean that's crazy? You haven't either, you motherfucker.
Yeah, I have.
No, you haven't.
Yeah, I did. I had the frozen.
Name 3 things.
I had a scone and a
See?
frozen breakfast thing.
A scone.
Yeah.
A scone.
Yeah, my mom made scones.
Alright,
bro.
You remember that thing that Nalcitos said yesterday?
No.
That was like, this is like finding out that one of your friends is like incredibly rich. Like, I'm so sorry, man. There's no reason that a motherfucker in the US should be eating something and calling it a scone unless you're really rich.
I don't really like scones, I'm not gonna lie. We used to have them on my last
Aren't
job
scones-
and they aren't very good. They're okay.
I don't think I've ever had a scone.
They're
I don't know
not
what a
bad.
scone
They're
is.
just like dry biscuit
They're like
things.
biscuits, right?
Yeah, they're basically just like biscuits, but usually like slightly different flavors. Like cinnamon or vanilla or something like that.
Dog, you can have biscuits that do that. What are we talking about?
When's the last time you heard of like a cinnamon biscuit? Like who says that? Can someone
you,
back
like-
me up?
What?
Like what's a cinnamon? Huh?
You've never heard of a cinnamon biscuit?
No. What? That sounds weird.
What are you talking about, dude?
What are you talking
You're
about?
Weird.
You're weird.
That's fucking insane.
No, you're
This
weird.
motherfucker's like, yeah, dude. No, I'm gonna have a cinnamon scone. Okay, dude.
It's not that fancy, dog.
I'm gonna have a cinnamon scone, I think.
Alright,
And I'll drink a bottle of water after. It's like,
I'm gonna
fuck
kill
off,
you.
man. Like, what are we talking about, man? Evil. Evil, evil, evil. I hate rich people. Shit pisses me off.
Can't even eat breakfast.
Huh?
I guess it's illegal to eat breakfast now.
Yeah, whenever the breakfast that you're eating is referring to things as scones.
What else are they? What do you call them then?
I don't know, like a biscuit? I don't know, you shouldn't be eating scones.
Okay, fine, I won't.
It's about the principle.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
We're at war right now. You shouldn't be eating
You're
scones.
right. You're right.
No, that's why I'm saying it. I would never say something unless it was correct. What if I just like enabled the controller selection box always? Oh, these don't count. I see. These don't have the new.
I'm trying to think. Do you
system
maybe
on
think it would
them.
look better if the trains were just stationary and just kind of sat in the background?
I think you should definitely have some trains that stay in the background. You could have some that move, but I don't. It's also implying that dude, those trains just fucking collided. By the way,
Nah, they're going past each other. Just two sets of tracks. I know, it looks like they're colliding. I know.
Yeah, it's the they're also not scaled particularly.
Yeah,
like,
the one in the back
correctly.
needs to be smaller.
Yeah, it's a massive S train.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's also like kind of implying that it's a super busy place, which maybe it
Yeah.
is, but I don't
Yeah, which I
I
don't
don't know
if
what
I
the
want.
vibe you want to go for.
Yeah,
is
I was thinking
with that.
maybe it should be like kind of empty, kind of not a
Decrepit.
whole lot of movie. Yeah.
Or no, not even decrepit actually. It honestly would be really cool if it was like a pristine station, but there was just nothing happening. Because then it would kind of give like an eerie vibe of
That could be cool, yeah.
like this place. Like I hate to bring up this example because like it's such like a lame example to be like, oh my god, have you seen Harry Potter? But like, have you seen Harry Potter?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know in the last movie, the train station, whenever they're in like fucking purgatory or whatever?
Yeah, yeah.
Like, I feel like that's fucking sick. Like,
Mhm.
like the idea of that, but like a fully made like train station that is just so empty, but like, you know, it exists. I don't know. It's cool. It's a cool vibe. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna pull up a picture of it because I don't want to. Also, like most of the pictures are coming from Harry Potter fandom whatever, and I'm like, fuck off.
So real.
I'm not going to the fandom Harry Potter wiki. You almost got me to go to a Harry Potter wiki, and I'm not doing that shit.
Yeah. So real.
So let me work on converting this to the new system. So the settings menu is called settings.tscn
TSCN T-Skin.
TSPMO. Let's see. So you are no longer necessary? Question mark. UI tab. Maybe you are necessary. You might be a little necessary. Unfocused. No. Yes, but no. We're gonna kill you. We're gonna kill... Oh. I see. Hold on. I'm not ready to completely kill all of this, I think. Which kind of sucks. But... because I've just realized some of these are automatically grabbing focus on visibility switching, which... I hate UI. I'm gonna say it again.
That's crazy.
I don't hate UI. I kind of do though. So let's say you are a UI layer. Correct. Which means that we would have... is there really a difference between layers or groups? I guess there is, functionally. Kinda. So the tab would have a group on it. Yeah, UI group. And this would also have a UI group. All of these tabs would have UI groups. All of them. Just bring in all the deer. Yep, all the deer. Man, I want to play Deadlock. I actually want to play League of Legends, but I have to say Deadlock because it's like the...
You're evil. You're like...
it's like
actually
the...
evil twin.
How?
You just are.
For what purpose?
You just are.
You were talking about eating scones just like a few minutes ago, and you're trying to call me evil.
Yep,
I just think
you're
that's a little
evil.
rich coming from you, but you know, whatever. I guess it's fine. I get to tell Nacitos that you were saying scones earlier.
Okay.
But like, I'll say that later. So all of these have UI groups now. Do you do anything specific? No, you're just a focus element. Let's get rid of your script and see what happens. You might be fine. You might be broken though. JW, remind me, you don't
Mhm.
ever use your numpad for
No,
anything, do you? You said no?
never, ever.
That's
I would
crazy.
never do that. Nasty numpad.
I just thought about it because, like, I just used my numpad. Because I wanted to add a bunch of nodes. And so I would hit Control A, and I would take my hand, like I have my mouse close to my numpad, so I could just like reach over with my thumb and tap the enter button. Which is kind of fire. And I'm gonna do it again. And it's kind of, my cat's head is in the way, so I can't really do it that well. But yeah, I think all of these also need to be focus items. And then that might be right. I know. Actually, this might break like a motherfucker. I think this is gonna crash. It crashed. Yeah. I was correct. Yippee. Let's...
Yeah, the brightness is pretty good. I adjusted it a little bit more because it was doing some weird stuff, because I didn't realize. It seems like if you change the value multiple times in the editor while the game's running, it like just increases the amount. It doesn't like change it. It's a little weird, but... Oh, here's the funny bug.
Oh, hey. That is pretty cool.
Mm-hmm. Very cool.
I don't know why they're not going like left or right.
I think it's
weird.
because they don't have time to like move away from each other before they hit the ceiling. So they just spawn in the exact same spot and just like bounce. I don't know. Okay, well I think I might call it there. I do want to work on the trains, but I'm very hungry. And I'm not going to get very far.
Sorry, Callie. I just scared the fuck out of her.
Moas, you didn't get the golf game, did you? I should,
Moaz gets the
crazy.
golf game.
Moaz, you should get the golf game. We should all play golf.
Yeah, Moaz. That's like a year's salary. You should get the golf game.
Mm-hmm.
So I need this to be this. I need you to see, do we have a group? Build get components self UI group. This group. This my group. I think that'll be right. I don't know though. I'll have to think about this. I need to convert all of our old UI to use the better system and also figure out where it's going to break. Because it looks like it's breaking here, which is fine-ish. Not really, but I think it's... Is it this, mayhaps? Wait, do you not have like a visibility thing in here? What? Yeah? What about you? What do you have going on? Oh, you have... Yeah, you do, don't you? You have some things going on. Evil things going on. You when you see Bitlitic, what happened? What was the Bitlitic thing? Why are we Bitlitic mentioning?
Me when I see Bitlitic.
What? Oh. evil things going on. Oh, true, yeah. What do you think? I wonder when the last thing I had a day where I wasn't doing evil things was. Hmm. Are you dead, JW?
What? Yeah,
Oh,
I am.
shit.
Sorry,
Why
I
the
fell
fuck
asleep.
did you... Bro scared the fuck out of me. What the hell?
Yeah, I was just trying to jump scare you. My bad, gang.
What the hell? Callie, this is not gonna work, and you know. Oh, bird. What the hell?
Oh, bird.
Oh, bird. Like, Callie, you know this isn't gonna work. You know you're not gonna be able to fall asleep like this, right? What? What? I fucked up, apparently. What the hell? Why did... Oh. I see what's happening. How about we don't do that? What if we just grab the control? No more owner checking, just control only. Okay, well that does something, just not something good. Oh shit. Something's definitely wrong. So if I press down, it goes up. If I press up, it goes down. Oh shit. Left took me down here. Something is big wrong. And I think I know what it is. It's fine. It's because it seems to be here. What do you guys feel about Rivals of Aether 2?
6-7. It's like a 6 out of 7 kind of game.
I see.
Oh.
My audio is currently playing the Rivals of Aether, whatever the fuck the maple map is called. The trees. What the fuck is it? I don't know what it's called. I can't think of it right now. Left joystick, screen shake. Aetherian Forest, thank you, my goat. Something is definitely wrong as fuck with this. And I don't know how or why. So if I'm sitting here on aim follow left joystick, I'm pressing down, doesn't work. If I press up, it goes down specifically to cat skin. Okay, that's wrong. If I press right, it goes down to new run. What the what? What did I do? Okay, I'm gonna call it here, I think.
Yeah.
I'm angry now. I'm not actually angry, but like I'm a little perplexed on this one. Woo! I don't know why this isn't. It's so weird. I lied about calling it here, by the way, I think.
No, you didn't.
What? The helly? Why not? What if I wanted to oh. Hop on deadlock, hop on deadlock. Ooh, that might be the move. I don't know. I kind of want to play a game or two of Rivals. JW have a tournament that we're going to soon, so. Not that he knows that, apparently.
Mm-hmm.
Are we gonna enter doubles again?
Maybe.
Okay. Alright, well, I guess we'll call the stream here. And I'll try to sort out this fucking UI spaghetti and get this to a spot that I'm happy with. Because we have UI stuff coming up that needs to be made. And that's terrifying and sad. Alright, well, thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for stopping by, watching Dev, and asking questions and things. We will be back on Tuesday at 6:30 p.m. EST. But until then, goodbye, bye.